What is up there, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, guys, I really want to go over on something really important, and it's something that if you are working at a job right now, you really need to realize this now, because if you don't, you will honestly just keep living a cycle in which there is no escape from just repeating the same process over and over again, guys. Okay, and what I'm talking about, guys, is something known as the rat race. Now, I don't mean an actual rat race for racing type of stuff, but what I'm talking about is the concept of basically doing the same thing over and over again and expecting for something to change, when the reality is, guys, that nothing's gonna change unless you decide to do something to make that change. Okay, and what the rat race basically is, guys, is it's basically when you're working at a job that you really just hate, that you cannot stand waking up to that job every single day, and you just dread waking up going to work, guys, to the point where you don't even care anymore. You just literally live day by day doing the same thing again and again. And on top of that, you're basically just working at this horrible job just to barely make meets ends. Okay, guys, you're literally just working there to pay for rent, pay for bills, and all these other liabilities that you're out there purchasing as well. And really, when you put it like that, it's basically like you're busting ass for the same pay, for the same lifestyle, for the same day every day again. Okay, guys, and it basically seems like there's no time to enjoy life whatsoever, because you feel like you're stuck in this loophole. So this is basically what's called a rat race. Okay, guys, because just like rats, they scatter around doing the same thing every day, and it gets them absolutely nowhere. So now that we've identified what a rat race is, let's go over on how to actually start escaping this rat race. Okay, for those of you who are just tired of working at this job that's really horrible, or you're just really tired of doing the same routine over and over, there are a few things that you can do to actually start escaping this rat race. Okay, guys, now for one, you got to recognize that you're actually in the rat race. Okay, guys, you got to tell yourself, okay, hold on, I did the same thing today, I did the same thing the day before, I'm probably gonna do the same thing tomorrow and the day after that, and then the weekend comes, I enjoy that weekend for a brief moment, and by the time Monday hits, it's the same process all over again. So you got to be aware of what you're in. Okay, guys, and once you're aware of that, then okay, I know what I'm in, I know what I'm doing, I don't like it, what can I do to actually get out of this? Well, after realizing that you're actually in the rat race, you got to start finding multiple ways to make money, guys. Okay, and this is really important, because this is really the only way you're going to get out of this rat race. Because you see, you're stuck in the rat race because you're committed to one job, and the only place you're getting money from is that one job only. So once you start finding multiple ways to make other money on the side, whether it be from something else, you basically start focusing on that side hustle or whatever the hell it is, to the point that you're making money that basically pays you the same as your job. So once it's doing that, and you're doing that constantly month after month, you can essentially quit that job, and you basically set yourself free from that 9-to-5 rat race cycle. Okay, but guys, the hardest part about this, because it may seem so easy when I explain it, oh, you just find a side hustle and boom, you're out, right? Well, it's not so easy though, guys. Okay, because to actually do this, you literally have to take the time after work, your spare time, your relaxing time, your Netflix time, whatever the hell it is. You got to take that time and actually do something else. Because I get it, guys, when we come home from work, we're tired, we're dreaded, we don't want to do absolutely nothing, we just want to Netflix all day, right? And it's this extra time that's going to make the biggest difference on whether you actually stay in the rat race or get out of the rat race. So sticking to this side hustle or whatever you find that makes you money is really crucial, guys. You got to put the time and effort to really get out of it. Another big tip to actually, I guess, get out of the rat race while you're doing this side hustle is live like if you don't know where your next check is coming from. Now, if you know what I mean, put it like this. Let's say you make, I don't know, $500 a week or so. Well, pretend that you don't have that job for a quick moment. Okay, on your time off, pretend like you don't have that job. Now, how are you gonna get money? You gotta act like you don't know where your next check is coming from, guys. Okay, this is the most crucial moment where you actually gotta tell yourself, okay, I'm broke, I gotta eat, I gotta sleep, I gotta pay bills. What can I do right now that's actually gonna make me money, and especially the same exact money that I'm getting paid for my job, in order to cover for this? Okay, and once you start realizing this, and you actually start going through different ideas, doing some research on different side hustles, that's when you start realizing, okay, if I can do this for 1 week, imagine what I can do more if I put more time and effort into it, getting out of the rat race and setting myself free from this at the same time. So simply like that, guys, just live like you don't know where your next check is. Start thinking like this, And I guarantee you're gonna find different ways to start making money when you really have to force yourself. Now, on the last note, guys, this is not gonna be easy, okay? Trying to escape out of the rat race is not something that happens overnight, unless you hit the lottery or something. In that case, let me know if you do. But again, guys, it's not easy. It's gonna take time, it's gonna take effort. And again, you just have to take that extra time after work and put that time and energy into something that can eventually replace your 9 to 5, okay? So anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to give this video a huge like. And as always, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Are you tired of living this 9 to 5 rat race type of lifestyle? Or who knows, maybe you actually like your job. If you do, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. More power to you. And as always, guys, if you haven't already, be sure to also subscribe as well so that you stay notified of more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.